Hello. I saw your question on discussion board. You asking how do you do this in StatCrunch? And so you've got a binomial probability and you're trying to use the normal curve to approximate this. So using StatCrunch, you click on Stat Calculators and you choose the normal calculator. And n is 45, p is 0.6. To get the mean, you multiply, and that comes out to 27. And then to get the standard deviation, you have the square root of n times p times quantity 1 minus p, which is 45, square root of 45 times 0.6 times 1 minus 0.6. And that comes out to approximately 3.2863, and I already have the mean come out to 27. Now you're trying to calculate it for 27, and so you need to do the between here, and you got to do the correction factor, 26.5 to 27.5. Click on compute, and it'll give you the answer, which I think will come out real close to what you have here already. So that you were asking how to use StatCrunch, and this is how you do it. Hope this helps.